Hello everyone, dear students. Today we are going to discuss how to use BODMAS system to sort out the mathematical problems. Dear student, before starting and before implementing BODMAS system in practical problems of mathematics, first you want to tell what is the meaning of each letter in the word BODMAS. Okay, dear students, I have already noted on the board. B for brackets. B for brackets. Okay, whenever we discuss for the brackets, there are many types of the brackets. I have noted. The first place is the line bracket. The first place, line bracket. Second place, small bracket. These brackets are also known as round brackets. At third place, curly brackets, and the last place of square brackets. Dear student, if we shall face all the brackets and some brackets out of these brackets in any mathematical problem, we have to solve these type of brackets according to a particular sequence, and that sequence I have already mentioned. Firstly, you have to solve line bracket, then small brackets, then curly brackets, and at the last we have to solve the square brackets. The next word, the next letter of the word BODMAS is O. O means off. The next letter of the word BODMAS is D. D means division. Next letter M. M for multiply. Next letter A for addition, and the last letter is S, means subtraction. These symbols and these brackets we have to solve according to a particular sequence which is already assigned by this BODMAS system. BODMAS is also a way to sort out the mathematical symbols and brackets in any type of mathematical problem. Now dear students, we are going to implement BODMAS system in some mathematical problems. Dear student, let's see the one problem here. I have already noted the statement. Okay, square bracket is here, then curly bracket, then small bracket. 1 by 2 plus 7 upon 9 divided by 23 by 18, curly bracket closed, minus 1 plus 1 by 2 minus 3 by 6, square bracket closed, plus 4. Only one bracket I have skipped. Yes, I want to mention that bracket now. Just imagine, line bracket also involved in this problem. Okay, I am going to mention here line bracket. Under this line bracket, I have taken two numbers, 1 and 1 by 2. Dear student, under the line bracket here only two numbers, 1 and 1 by 2. This negative sign which attached with 1 is not under the line bracket. This is the way. It means whenever you start to solve the line bracket, you have to add 1 in 1 by 2. During that calculation, we cannot use this negative sign with 1 because this negative sign did not under the line bracket. Now dear student, let's see how we can solve this type of problem which is based on BODMAS system. Only one thing we have to keep in our mind whenever you are going to implement BODMAS system in mathematical problem. In one step you have to solve only one pattern and one particular symbol. Okay, see carefully. We are going to start. According to BODMAS system, the first, according to the order, according to the sequence of these letters, firstly B means brackets, and under the bracket system, firstly we have to solve the line bracket, and we are observing line bracket, under the line bracket 1 and 1 by 2. It means in the first step we have to solve only these two numbers. How? See carefully. Square bracket as it is, curly bracket as it is, small bracket as it is. No need to change any number, no need to calculate any other numbers. (23 upon 18) curly bracket closed. Now dear students, here I am going to do the rough work. Now you have to add 1 and 1 by 2. I am going to do rough work, see carefully. 1 plus 1 by 2. How we can add? We have to take 1 as a denominator of first one. As 1 I can write 1 upon 1. Take LCM is 2. 2 divided by 1, 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 divided by 2. 1. 1 into 1, 1. 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. It means, dear student, at the place of 1 plus 1 by 2, because now according to the bracket system we are solving here the line bracket firstly, so obviously under the line bracket only 1 and positive 1 by 2, and I have already sorted out this in the rough work and I have got 3 by 2. Now I am going to assign, put the negative sign as it is, because negative sign not under the line bracket. I have added 1 and 1 by 2 and I have got 3 by 2. Here I am going to assign 3 by 2 minus 3 by 6 square bracket closed plus 4. Okay, I hope student first step you are clear. Now I am going to erase the rough work. See now. Now whenever again you will observe the next operation is the next bracket, we can say that is small bracket. Now in the coming step we are going to solve only this small bracket. How we can do? See carefully. Square bracket as it is, curly bracket as it is. How we can solve the small bracket? For this we have to take the LCM, because in this bracket only two numbers are there and both numbers are fractions, we can say that 1 by 2 and 7 by 9. LCM of 2 and 9, 18. 18 divided by 2, 9. 9 ones are 9 plus 18 divided by 9, 2. 2 sevens are 14. Dear student, in the small bracket by taking LCM I have got 9 plus 14 by 18. Others numbers I have to note it same without any change, because in the beginning of the lesson and beginning of this particular topic I have already told, in one step you have to solve only one symbol. Okay, now see in the next step what we are going to do, because still I am focusing on the small brackets. Square bracket as it is, curly bracket as it is. 9 plus 14, 23, and by 18 I am getting here. Now because we have solved it, now small brackets removed, divided by 23 by 18 curly bracket closed. Now others numbers I have to note it same, 3 by 6 square bracket closed plus 4. Now dear students, we know when we divide any number by itself, answer is always 1. If you want to do this work, you may do this work in the rough work also. See carefully, I am going to do 23 by 18 divided by 23 by 18. How we can solve? 23 by 18, whenever we solve the division symbol, we need to write division into its reciprocal, means multiply, and whenever you convert division into multiply, you have to write the right side number in the reciprocal form, means 23 by 18 we have to write 18 by 23. Now 23 cancel 23, 18 cancel 18, we are getting 1 in rough work. This I am doing as a rough work. It means when I divide 23 by 18 by 23 by 18, I will get 1, and here I have already shown we have got 1. Now in the next step Because according to the bracket system, now it's the turn of the curly bracket. We have to focus now on curly bracket. By solving curly bracket, I have got 1. Now I can write 1 as it is. Minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 6 square bracket closed plus 4. Now dear student, according to the bracket system, now it is the turn of square bracket. But there is a another problem for us now, because here we cannot identify a particular symbol. We know we are able to identify minus is here, and this one having positive sign. But according to the BODMAS system, we cannot select here any two numbers and between these two numbers any particular symbol. Suppose if we want to solve addition firstly, then I don't know here according to this structure 1 we need to add up in which numbers. Okay, to sort out this type of problem, what we have to do, see carefully. Dear student, we are observing here these two numbers, minus 3 by 2 and minus 3 by 6. It means 3 by 6 and 3 by 2, these two fractions are negative. If I will take the minus as a common from these two numbers, what will happen? See carefully. 1 minus, I am going to take minus as a common. We know student, whenever you take minus as a common, okay, the symbols of the numbers which we are going to write inside the bracket, we have to change like this. 3 by 2 here have negative sign, but negative I have to taken as a common. Obviously now 3 by 2 must have positive sign. In the same way, this 3 by 6 also now have positive sign because I have taken negative sign as a common. When you transfer negative sign interior side, you know according to the multiplication rule, plus minus minus 3 by 2 plus minus minus 3 by 6. Again you will get the same system. I hope you have clear how we can do here. Now dear student, we are observing here. Now we are observing that according to this system, firstly we have to solve these two numbers. Okay, this bracket is not in the statement. This bracket I am using to separate this particular portion so that I can add these two numbers, so that I will not confused. That's why I am using this bracket in journal. It is not in the statement. Now let's see how we can solve. Other portion I am going to erase so that I will show the solution to you. See now dear student. Okay, I am going to write this pattern on that side. Square bracket, 1 is there, minus. Dear student, here we are observing 3 by 2 plus 3 by 6. Now I am going to take the LCM in this bracket. LCM is LCM of 2 and 6, 6. When you divide 6 by 2, you will get 3. 3 3 is a 9. Okay. Now when you divide 6, this LCM of 6 by 6, you will get 1. 1 into 3, 3. Okay. I hope you are getting what I want to tell. Plus 4. Now start solving. First equal sign. 1 minus. Obviously 9 plus 3, 12 by 6. Square bracket closed. Plus 4. Now dear students, final calculation, because at the last we have reached on that step in which only last and the final bracket, that is square bracket, is left here. Okay, now we have to solve. For this purpose, first I am going to take denominator as 1 of 1, because you know when you divide 1 with 1 you will get 1. Why I am doing this? So that I can solve it. Now here students, take LCM. LCM of 1 and 6, 6. 6 divided by 1, 6, 6, 1 here. 6, 6 divided by 6, 1, 1 into 12, 12. It means in the square bracket I am getting 6 minus 12 by 6 plus 4. Now dear students, final calculation we are going to do. Dear students, plus 6 minus 12. We need to calculate it. Plus 6 minus 12. You may write it like that, minus 12 plus 6. How we can do? We know whenever we want to sort out, it means we want to add or subtract, but here we are going to use the addition strategy. Whenever we want to solve two integers which having different sign, what is the strategy? Just without symbol, which number is greater? Without symbol 12 is greater. Obviously answer will come in negative, and the left number you have to subtract from that larger number. When you subtract 6 from 12, you will get 6. It means answer is coming minus 6. Minus 6 upon 6. Square bracket closed and plus 4. Okay, dear students, whenever you divide 6 by 6, obviously you will get 1, but here is a negative sign. It means whenever you divide minus 6 by 6, you will get minus 1. Again I am getting two numbers, two integers which are having different sign. Obviously without symbol 4 is greater, but for having positive sign, it means answer will come in positive, and the left number we have to subtract. It means when you subtract 1 from 4, you will get 3. Dear student, the answer of this problem is positive 3, which I have already shown at the end of this problem. Dear student, I hope you have cleared this system, and now I hope you are able to implement BODMAS system to sort out the mathematical problem. Thanks for watching.